We searched online and found several large items that we can inflate and explode. An inflatable sofa, a floating banana, an air jack that can lift a whole 4-ton car using itself, and today we're going to explode it. Also, we got a small inflatable slide.
Now I'll take a powerful compressor to inflate our inflatable park. And to inflate our inflatable park, we'll use 40 oxygen cylinders. Looks like we're here for the trampoline. This is the place, apparently, somewhere here. Here is our money. Hello, do you have a trampoline?
Yeah.
So, this is the trampoline, right?
Yeah, this is the trampoline.
$700, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Then, we'll call the movers for now, okay?
All right.
Hello, hi movers? Could we get 3 people? Hello? Where are you? Look, okay, we're waiting for you. Yeah, something like that there. Yeah, okay, all right, waiting. You'll see us over here.
1, 2, 3.
Load of the trampoline. All right, thank you very much. Goodbye. Let's quickly go to the car. It's very cold.
Since this experiment is on a very large scale and, well, we'll have to inflate the park, it's huge, and most likely it's going to take a very long time, and so we need to prepare very seriously. Right now, we need to choose what we're going to use to inflate all this. We have options, but no, Alex, we definitely won't use a pump. So we have an air pump, a compressor, well, actually, it's a cylinder. It seems to me that this is the most powerful. All right, everyone, hold 1 ball each.
I'm afraid.
Okay, I'm ready.
I'm not yet.
On the count of 3, we start. 1,
Oh, wait a minute.
2, 3.
Good thing I didn't hear anything.
It exploded!
I heard that even with my headphones on.
We're not using the compressor, just so you know. Here's what we found out. The compressor, it's junk. The air pump inflates quickly enough, but this one, it inflates so fast that it burst the ball before it was even inflated. Obviously, we're taking the cylinders and inflating with them. All right, the first item we're going to inflate and pop right now is this kind of sofa. I don't know what this mattress is capable of. Will we manage to pop it? How loud will it burst? I don't know, but we're going to try and find out.
What if we inflate it just like that?
To inflate this mattress or sofa, we need to insert the hoses here, which will be connected to our cylinder. Since there are 3 cylinders in this mattress or sofa that need to be inflated, we need to connect 3 hoses. It's quite a complex system.
1, 2, 3.
This is scary.
All right, let's set it up.
What are you saying to Alex?
No, the sofa is very comfortable.
I'm scared.
Imagine this is practically an airbag exploding from behind.
No, you understand that we're in trouble right now. Scary! I'm freaking out now. Why didn't the sofa go off yet? Oh!
Whoa! That was unexpected!
In all honesty, we expected more from the sofa explosion.
The next item.
Watch it.
It's a slide like that.
All right, shall we get started?
Shall we turn it on?
Let's turn it on. Whoa! It's all working.
This thing has already increased in size several times already, and I think it shouldn't be like this.
Just look at it. Whoa!
I mean, that was funny.
Wanted to check the elasticity, didn't make it.
sliding.
Yoka, maybe that's enough.
Whoa!
Well, that's a tipping point. That was unexpected.
That way is better.
I think in 10 seconds it's going to explode. Everything that's happening right now, just so you understand, this is just the warm-up. The sofa and the slide, they're made of not really dense material that just, frankly speaking, goes but the next items will be very similar in material to the boat. The boat last time exploded very strongly.
Oh! And the next item we're gonna explode with air is this car! No, of course not.
This is a jack. Now, in theory, this small little thing should easily lift our car. So let's see.
In order to fully feel the effect of the inflatable jack's explosion, we, with the guys, decided to be in the car at the moment.
I really hope that we stay alive. We're ready. So scary! Oh no! Oh my God!
Oh my God!
No! Okay, get out!
How about we put on headphones?
Maybe let's do that.
No, shut it off! Shut it off!
Don't turn it
Stop
off!
I wonder what it looks like.
Oh my God! Oh my God! You can't imagine how scary it was in there. Oh.
Oh my God. Should we leave,
So
right?
scary.
Because it might explode?
I don't
I
know.
don't think so.
Is it not working? Oh!
No way!
Metal rang from that! Whoa!
It's like throwing a grenade.
The next item that we're going to inflate is a banana. It's the thing people ride on water. People ride on it, and today is no exception. Is everyone ready?
Inflated! Captain, we're not ready! It's gonna explode! It will explode! Ah! Oh, screw this! No, it's gonna explode! What the hell was that?
I don't know what will happen when we inflate the park. I'm insanely curious about how the explosion will be. After all, it's a huge thing. But there is, of course, a chance that it'll just pop, because essentially the material there is more or less similar. Hence, the pressure that the park and the banana can withstand is approximately the same. Probably. Maybe. I don't know. Anyway, we'll have to find out. But the most important thing is that we're doing this in a hangar, and I don't quite understand how it will affect the space. I don't know. What if everything here just explodes?
It will be a rocket.
It will be.
A walking rocket.
Yeah.
Damn, what a big trampoline we got. Damn, it's a little used, actually, because we got it secondhand. We got it from a part that closed out. We'll have to check everything out. Look at every seam. Is everything intact? And are there any holes? Because if there's one hole, this huge boom won't work.
And so, we patched up our trampoline, and now we can inflate it and jump on it.
These are special things, you know, for inflating these parks.
I suggest we all get on it when it's being inflated. How about we get inside, huh?
Can we get in here?
Hello, it's cramped in here. Another hole? Where? For now, it looks like this thing won't be able to lift us up.
Oh!
Oh!
I'm all the way on top. Everyone's over there.
Okay, balance is failing.
Guys, what's going on?
Beautiful. Actually, from the outside, it probably looks like it's a wild party going.
I'm reborn.
I think our team is like those people who were just suddenly dragged into adult life and didn't get a chance to have any fun, and so now they're all just having a blast. They're just a bunch of kids.
Watch. Now I have to run from here very quickly. From here, through the corner, and down there. That guy over there is the finish line. Ah!
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! We fully inflated the trampoline now, and as you can see, it's quite bouncy. And now, what we need to do next is get inside the inflated trampoline and cut all the partitions there so that it can inflate even more.
I'll go with
The second one goes to the right.
A small step for a man, but a big one for our experiment.
the first one's in.
There's a lot more space here now. Why create these partitions, these rooms?
Well, it's all quite simple here.
Almost done. But just one of them.
And it's popping our ears. Seems like there's some pressure in here.
You know, I never thought that someday I'd be inside an inflatable park.
It's like a big tent. It's really interesting here to be in here.
I'm afraid we might somehow break the trampoline, and it won't be as we need it to be.
Whoa! Whoa!
Look at these caves. Like bureaus here. Look how beautiful.
Whoa! Whoa!
Whoa, it's tearing apart.
It looks so grand, simply grand.
But here it's pretty much empty.
Guys, I found someone's soccer underwear. What's this?
Well, we did say we bought this trampoline from people who already used it. Who knows what they did here? I don't know what to do anymore. I'm just walking around amazed that I'm inside the trampoline, you know.
You'll be surprised how it looks now.
Oh, no way.
Intense.
Do you realize how dangerous this is?
Where are you?
Whoa!
Amazing.
What's in there?
Hold
Guys,
on!
did you climb in? Before that, they should have.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
And most importantly, you know, I will always say the thing that is really relevant.
Yeah!
Except for what you see on our channel in our hangar, you won't see anything like this in your life. That's why you need to make sure to subscribe and accelerate the publication of the next videos to reach 100,000 subscribers and a million. It's incredibly interesting. What will actually happen when it explodes?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
I think it's just gonna be a massive ball.
Actually, exploding this thing is seriously terrifying because it's really unclear how it will explode.
Right.
So guys, the trampoline is ready for us to burst it. And in principle, we're ready for it too. Look, all these over here, these are oxygen cylinders. Now previously, each item we inflated, we did it using just one cylinder. Here, there are around 30 of them. So they're going to inflate it very quickly. So the explosion will most likely happen really fast.
Let's do it. Let's go. Let's go.
Everyone, is everyone ready?
Yeah.
Seriously. Oh, damn, this is scary. So this could happen instantly. You understand, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. 1. It's scary. 2.
Seriously, wow, scary.
3. Let's go.
the explosion can be right now! It exploded! It exploded! It did it! It exploded!
Yeah, that was very loud!
That's just rising in the hangar!
I don't know why we're always so lucky that the explosion always happens towards us.
How epic was that, huh? It happened so quickly, I didn't even manage to understand that it exploded.
I was so shocked when this thing went boom. It's like bam, bam, bam.
I was really scared. I was like opening, and I hadn't opened the third one yet. Everyone is running, and I'm like, okay, faster. I unscrew the third one, damn, and that's it. I ran away.
I think it's one of the fastest experiments we've conducted.
Yeah.
There were so many doubts, actually, up until that moment. Everyone was thinking, like, it won't explode 100%. It will explode, it will blow up the hangar. Well, let's just make a little noise, but it exploded just right, I think.
Whoa!
Well, guys, I think that was pretty cool. Epic. If you like explosions.
We'll definitely explode anything you want.
Be sure to like, subscribe to our channel. Well, as they say, thanks everyone for watching. Good luck to everyone, and bye-bye!